was actually a funny story. All my life I wanted to study abroad.
So I was looking at all the different programs that UT had to offer.
Finally, I stumbled upon a table and they were like, Engineering Global Health in Barcelona.
He was like, hey guys, this is a new program, Barcelona, you guys want to apply?
Huh, that sounds fun.
I was really enticed by Barcelona.
The Engineering Global Health program is really about problems that other people face around the world and really trying to engineer solutions to combat them.
Just about resources and things to make healthcare more accessible for people that can't necessarily afford it.
My name is Zachariah Rollins. I'm from the University of Texas and I'm studying in Barcelona for the Engineering Global Health Maymester with Dr. Maynard.
I created this course to immerse them in the fabulous biomedical research community that exists in Barcelona.
It was very interesting to me, the guest lectures.
It's been a pleasure to talk to the University of Texas at Austin students this morning on our work on vaccines.
In this lecture, we have focused on what I think is the worst epidemic of all, which is health inequities at the global level.
I have presented them different options to talk about different applications of genomics. We have visited the core facility, the genomics core facility of the UPF University at the PRDB.
We got to see sequencing machines and how they sequence an entire genome.
So Barcelona really has a very vibrant biomedical research community. They have lots of spin-off biotechnology and biomedical companies.
It's helping us get into the field.
We also learn about devices.
But we have some really high-tech devices that literally just clamp onto your wrist, do the same pumping mechanism, and then it'll give you a readout after it runs all the way down the pressure.
It was incredible. It was just a teeny portable microscope.
Today's experiment, there were some groups making EKGs and some groups making heart rate monitors.
They work together in interdisciplinary teams on a single project where they're trying to create a solution to a global health problem.
As engineers and biochemists, we have to come up with a concept that's going to be innovative and help improve healthcare and global health.
I had a chemical engineer in my group. I also had a biochemist in my group. So it's really cool to have all these different people come together and we all put our own different experiences and expertise and backgrounds all into our project.
Take a lot of these factors that can be from different fields and apply them to a certain goal, which is global health.
It realizes me that I don't just work with biochemists, I can work with biologists and engineering to improve healthcare.
They're able to hypothesize and predict new solutions, which is really revolutionary because these are the scientists of the future. So part of the program, you will be taking and visiting some different areas throughout Barcelona.
Barcelona is beautiful. It's such a great atmosphere.
Which is so different from what we have in the US.
Every corner that you turn, there's literally something beautiful to see.
Wonderful. Someone's like, hey, who wants to grab tapas tonight? Everyone's just everybody just meets in one place. It's beautiful.
In our free time, we explore the beaches or, go hiking or go to the various museums and it's been a neat experience.
We decided to take a visit to this Museum of Chocolate, an exhibit where there are lots of artworks made out of chocolate.
A lot of people here speak Catalan and Spanish, and a lot of them actually speak English too.
I just feel like I'm meeting new people, trying new things, trying new food, and it's just amazing.
This morning we had the pleasure of going to Parkaway. It's definitely the best view that I've had while in Barcelona. It's just so pretty.
She told us that all the inspiration was very organic from nature.
We'll be walking from Park Güell and then we'll get to tour the very famous La Sagrada Familia.
The detail and precision, it was unbelievable, and I've never experienced a place like it.
Gaudi was inspired a lot by God, and he felt like he had a deep connection to God.
Living by Sagrada Familia, every day I walk to school and I see a historical site. You never do that in Austin.
You learn to live together, you learn to work together, you travel together, and you make new and lasting friendships that you would never have had before.
I feel like I've made a lot of new friends and experienced a lot of new things, so I definitely recommend it.
Get a different perspective of learning and a different perspective of how the world works in another area.
Life is about experiences and you channeling those experiences to make a living to live better, to interact with people better, and I think study abroad encompasses all of that.
This is like, it's like it opens your horizons. Like, this is global.
Come in open-minded, willing to go wherever and do whatever.
It's literally an experience that you'll never have at any other point in your life.
It's one of the best things that I plan to do. I think it's totally worth it.
Thanks to UT, thanks to study abroad, Hook 'em horns.